In this guide, I'm going to be showing you the easiest ways that you can use to get magnet accelerators here in Arc Raiders. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But by far the easiest way and the first way that we're going over is going to be in your workshop. So go to the main menu, select workshop up in the top left. And what you're going to want to do is hit this little install button and go ahead and install yourself a refiner for 60 metal parts and 5 arc power cells. After you do have that refiner crafted, at the very bottom of it, when you open it up, you'll be able to craft a magnet accelerator using 2 advanced mechanical components and 2 arc raider motion cores. This is by far the easiest way. But another way to go ahead and do this is by opening up your map by selecting play, just like so, and go ahead and head up to the spaceport. Now, in the spaceport, you're specifically going to want to look for red lockers in the rocket assembly area. This is this yellow zone right here, just below the east container yard. But if you find those red lockers in here, they actually have a very high chance of containing magnet accelerators. These 2 methods are by far the best way to get magnet accelerators here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.